and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Unice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this wig was actually sent from their Amazon storefront, so when you guys go to click the link down below, you guys would see that it is from Amazon, you guys, and you should be able to get this wig unit in about 2 to 3 days, depending on if it is on Prime. So as for the specs of this wig unit, this was sent in a Yaki straight texture. Again, it is a Vpart wig unit. It does have the upgraded wig cap construction. It is in 20 inches, you guys, and 150% density. And it is in a chestnut ombre color. So once again, it does have the upgraded wig cap construction, so it does have that tightening band that goes along the nape area, which I prefer for my wig units over the thicker adjustable straps. So yeah, I do want to talk to you guys about like having thin hair and using these types of wigs. I have very thin hair, by the way. It's very thin and it's very fine, and I have a low iron, you guys, so I don't have very thick hair at the top of my head. It's just not how my hair wants to grow, and I don't mind doing the Vpart wig units, but I can't do them often because I'm trying to like grow my hair and thicken my hair out, and I don't like to put a lot of heat on it or bother my hair a lot anyways throughout the year. So I think next year I am going to decline the Vpart wig offers because I did quite a few of them this year, you guys, alone. So I think next year I'm just going to be giving my hair a break. But these are very easy, especially for girls who like to do protective styles. These would definitely work for you. And just to talk to you guys about the density, this is only 150% density. I don't normally review 150% density wig units, but because I guess these are Vparts, they come in a lower density. So just to let you guys know that it is on a thinner side, in my opinion, than what it is that I am used to. But I guess if you're supposed to be taking out your natural hair, I guess they want it to be like more of like a natural density. So I understand that, but if you are not into natural density wig units, then I wouldn't recommend this wig unit for you at all. So yeah, also if you guys have thinner hair, I actually recommend that you take out a little bit more hair for this type of upgraded wig cap construction, because the way that they lay the tracks at the top, it's like they overlay it, so you would be able to see it if you were to have your hair really flat. So just make sure that you take out enough hair so that it can cover the actual tracks of this wig unit. And I am going to be showing you guys like some curl tests. I did put a little heat to the hair so that I can show you guys if the hair want curls or holds a curl or whatever. And I know a lot of people are really concerned about like how kinky straights or Yaki straight textures don't really hold a curl, so I just wanted to make sure that I included it in this hair video for you guys. So that is pretty much all that I have for you guys. Make sure you guys stay warm. It just got cold out of nowhere, and I think that's how I got sick. My voice is very raspy and I don't really feel that well, but I'm here for you guys. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.